What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going over the spacers, how much I paid, what brand they are, where they're from, and then pros and cons, so stick around for that.
Something about you feels so different. Yeah, you mess me up inside. It's like your energy was kissing my soul back to life, was living. Now it feels like every part of me is dying. Yeah, you're gone without a trace. You left me where no one can find me. There's no sign of life out here. I scream and it goes silent. I fight so hard, but I can't find my way out. Lost all dimension and time. All alone, think I'm losing my mind. And this goes down. And this goes down.
First, let's go over the brand. So it was the BurgerTuning 13mm spacers, as you've seen in the B-roll. What I paid for it was $100, and you can get it straight off the BurgerTuning website. But when I did my springs in one of the past videos, I had PartsCore throw in the spacers because it's basically free. Just throw it on there and done. And why did I get this size? Well, no reason really. That's just what they recommended, and it fits really good, so I just followed their advice and went with that. Let's talk a little bit about what does it do for the car. So when it was stock, the wheels were into the wheel well too much, and I wanted a better fitment, so these spacers really flushed it out. You can probably go like 15mm, and then it'll be way more flush and way more rubbing, which will be one of the negatives in a little bit. Now comes the question, will I keep these spacers forever? No, I really want wheels, because this thing is rubbing and it's really annoying in reverse, and I also just want wheels in general, so that'll get rid of the spacers, and then we'll have nice fitment and nice wheels versus standard stock ones. And then speaking of the rubbing issues, when you go in reverse, left or right, it'll make a really bad noise. I'll show you guys here in the clip. Yeah, that's really bad. So all in all, the spacers are good for now, but I can't wait to get rid of them. So this is a pretty quick video, not much to say about the spacers. So stick around for the next video, which I'm speaking about the springs and all of that. So hit the subscribe button below, stay up to date. We want to get to 1,000 subscribers, so you can help me with that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.